Struggling with production delays, client miscommunication, or uncoordinated workflows? In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, a single bottleneck can disrupt your production plan. That's where SmartTask comes in, your one-stop solution to streamline manufacturing operations, from procurement to production and delivery. With real-time tracking, automated workflows, and seamless collaboration, SmartTask ensures that every department, be it design, production, quality control, or logistics, stays in sync. It starts with the sales process. All ongoing deals are captured in a dedicated deals project, where the sales team scopes requirements, finalizes product specs, timelines, and key deliverables. You can also add custom fields to capture contact information, product they are interested in, industry vertical, etc. Sales reps can attach documents, store contact details, and even initiate calls directly through our built-in IVR integration. Every call is automatically logged, and recordings are saved in the activity feed, ensuring complete transparency and a solid audit trail for future reference. Once a deal is closed, a new project is created in the ongoing projects group, ensuring a seamless handoff from sales to execution. Teams can also use predefined templates based on project complexity and priority to save time and standardize execution. Let's dive into a live example of a work order in motion. The project is structured into phases like design and engineering, where teams finalize designs, get client approvals, and pass specs to the procurement team. Procurement tasks are shared with the procurement department, making it easy for the procurement team to work out of one project, while the project team also has visibility on the procurement progress. The procurement project includes procurement stages, approval statuses, required quantities, vendor coordination details. You can also manage the procurement work in the board view. This eliminates confusion and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Updates made here are automatically synced back to the project. After procurement, the project naturally flows into production, quality check, packaging, and commissioning, all tracked within the same workspace. You can even invite clients as guest users and control what they see. Keep invoicing or internal notes private, while sharing project progress and delivery timelines transparently. For long-running projects, SmartTask's Timeline View is your go-to planning tool. It gives you a clear visual overview of tasks across all project stages, defined milestones to track key progress points, task dependencies to ensure workflow smoothly without roadblocks or overlaps. You can also utilize Baseline View to compare your original plan with the current timeline. Managing multiple manufacturing projects simultaneously, that's where Portfolio View becomes a game changer. It provides managers a real-time, bird's-eye view of all ongoing orders, ensuring complete transparency at every stage. With Portfolio View, teams can monitor progress status across projects, track milestone progress and deadlines, filter by project, project owner, or department for quick updates. No digging through files or Excel sheets. So, if a stakeholder needs an update on procurement progress or production timelines, you'll have the answers in seconds. Execution is just one part. The real magic is in continuous improvement. SmartTask's dashboard gives you powerful analytics to identify pending or overdue tasks and responsible owners, monitor task completion rates to gauge team performance, spot upcoming deadlines or potential bottlenecks before they escalate. These insights empower your team to work smarter, not harder. So, there you have it. From planning and production to delivery and deployment, SmartTask is the only platform your manufacturing company needs, and it doesn't stop there. Manufacturing companies also have dedicated workspaces for customer support to ensure seamless communication and exceptional service, management to oversee strategy and execution, accounts to track budgets and invoices, HR to handle team coordination and resource allocation. If you're looking to streamline operations, boost productivity, and get full control over your manufacturing workflows, SmartTask is your all-in-one solution.